right here.
Ah.
I'll show you. Now, get out of here. There. That's our room rates.
Ah, room rates
Yeah,
here.
you take a picture of that.
But I want to see room.
Hmm?
I want to see the
Let me
room.
get you a secretary.
Okay.
Okay, tell your friend to go here to my Facebook. You see hundreds of pictures.
And now available room.
Yep, for today, yes. May 3rd, no. During the Hot Air Balloon Festival, no.
Place like garden everywhere. Flower. Kitchen. So standard room is with electric fan 700 peso only. Or with aircon 1000 peso.
I'll say the same thing. This is the smallest room we got
This is 700 peso.
for fan. If you want aircon, all my fan rooms have aircons, 300 extra for aircon.
700 without aircon and 1000 peso with aircon.
Yeah. Let me show you a bigger one.
Ah, close.
I got the wrong goddamn key.
It's okay. One room is enough.
Tell your friend that this side will be quieter
Ah, more quiet this side.
because you're off the street. And every room's different.
But smallest room 700 peso per day.
No, they're all 700. It could be big or small. All 700 for fan.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, tell me you check in at 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning and check out 3 p.m.
8 morning to 3 p.m.
Yeah, check out 3 p.m.
3
next
p.m.
day. And then, unless you want short time for $3.99, that's 8 in the morning to 2 p.m. same day. But these here are 31 hours.
So all information here can check in this.
Yeah. Just go to my my Facebook to see hundreds of pictures.
Okay.
Okay, see you later.
See you. Thank you. Also here kitchen.